Students in Facing Challenges, a Narrative Inquiry. Advisor Dr. Riza M. Padasis.
Pevida Noemi Lumen, Madbayat Kawayan, Masbate. Lived experiences of the school heads in newly established schools in Masbate Province. Advisor Dr. Riza M. Padasas.
Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision. Almante Japet Riluao, San Jacinto, Masbate. Teachers flight in the last my schools, basis for policy recommendations. Advisor Dr. Rodolfo B. Burak Jr.
Arizala Aldrin Ancahas, Dumorog, Katayngan, Masbate. Experiences of the school heads along building partnerships, a guide to efficient resource management. Advisor Dr. Richie C. Vilarte.
Guillermino Lucas Didoy, Kabangkalan, Placer, Masbate. Practices of school heads in fostering partnership in Placer districts. Advisor Dr. Riza M. Padasas.
Resquilio James Lachica, Babato-Bato, Mandaon, Masbate. Hows and whys of the school leadership in addressing teachers' burnout and performance. Advisor Dr. Alvin M. Mahawan.